House of Kennedy's brother-in-law.
Hi everyone! Today we are working with Artistro Acrylic Paint Pens. They were offering free sample pen packs on their website and I decided to grab a set. All I had to do was pay for shipping. First off, I love the clear barrel. I can see whether or not the pigment has been evenly distributed after shaking. I received 5 pens in total, but I'm going to be playing with these 3 colors today. These paint pens are fine tipped. I've already used these several times before filming, so the nib is already covered with paint. When you first get them, you have to pump the pens onto paper to get the paint going. As you can see, the nib did not break down or collapse from the priming. Major win. I'm going to be starting this lettering project by using my Tombow dual brush marker in color N95. It is a very light gray color that helps me lay down the lettering while it doesn't interfere with the colors that I'll be using. I'm going to be doing purple on top and teal on the bottom with a blend in the middle of each letter. These paint pens are water-based acrylic, so while the paint is still wet, I can use a damp paintbrush to blend the 2 colors together. I'll let some music play for the rest of the lettering and I'll come back when I'm done. Enjoy! Now that the paint is completely dry, I can layer another color on top. Here I'm taking the black paint pen to put some lettering right on top of it. And because it's modern calligraphy, don't forget to thicken those downstrokes. And here's the finished product. Overall, I really enjoyed using these paint pens and I'll put their information in the description box below. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, and if you would like to see more, visit my channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!